Hi everyone! Today I'm excited to recreate and test a recipe generated by AI. We'll make a delicious almond and coconut flour cake sponge, perfect for a 20 centimeters pan. This cake is gluten-free and lactose-free. Here's a look at the final product we aim for. Show photo of the cake. This cake is delicious and moist. It can be enjoyed on its own or filled with your favorite filling. Stay with me until the end to see the result. Let's get started. Today, we're whipping up a mouth-watering almond and coconut flour cake sponge, gluten-free and lactose-free. Here's what you'll need: 200-gram almond flour, 60-gram coconut flour, 160-gram sugar, 120-gram cornstarch, baking powder, 2-gram baking soda, 2-gram salt, 240 milliliters of any non-lactose milk, or other if you prefer, 240 milliliter vegetable oil, 4 large eggs, vanilla extract, and 2 spoons of lemon juice. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius and prepare your 20 centimeters cake pan with parchment paper. In a large bowl, mix together the dry ingredients. In another bowl, whisk the wet ingredients until smooth. Combine them, but remember, don't overmix. Pour the batter into the pan, smooth the top, and bake for 35 minutes until golden brown. Let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes, then transfer it to a wire rack. And there you have it, a delicious, moist, and firm almond and coconut flour cake. Enjoy it plain or with your favorite frosting. Happy baking! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. For more awesome content, hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Check out our other videos. See you in the next one.